this week I want you to update Jingle Bells arrangement. Add left hand root of chords and add power chord at the end. Power chord at the end. Let's take a look at Jingle Bells, page 16. Again, Roman numeral system goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the same note, go back to 1. The Roman numeral goes 1 and 5, 1, and here comes 2. 1, 2. 2 is D. So from the beginning, 1, 5, 1, we'll go to 2 and 5, 1, and then 1, then 5, 1, 5, 1. The rest of them should be easy. Here comes 2. Power chord.